to both the trees are connected, both. So due to that road, it has been divided into bisected.
वृक्षराजाय नमः उपवीतं समर्पयामि तस्मात् यज्ञात् सर्वोदरजः सामानि जन्यरे चन्द्रांसि जन्यरे तस्मात् यजुस्तस्मात् जायत
श्रीखण्डं चन्दनं दिव्यं गन्धाढ्यं सुमनोहरं
विलेपनं सुरश्रेष्ठम् इत्यर्थं प्रतिगृह्यताम् नमः आग्रेय सर्वदेवानां धूपमानदेवे च त्रैलोक्यनिरापः तस्यादिविग्रह्यामि देवाय नमाग्नेतानि च पापानि जन्मान्तरकृतानि च तानि तानि विनश्यन्ति प्रदक्षिणं पदे पदे पापोऽहं पापकर्माहं पापात्मा पापसम्भवः त्रायिमा कृपया देव शरणागतवत्सल अन्यथा शरणं नास्ति त्वमेव शरणं मम
आणि तांणी रायटअप करून एक वेगळो कन्सेप्ट संबंध गोंयभर न्ही देशभर तांणी दवरपाचो प्रयत्न केल्लो आसा रायटअपांतल्यान आनी बऱ्याच वेळ ते उलयताले की हाजो आपूण गोंयाक आसा ताजो फायदो केवळ गोंयाक न्ही देशाक जावपाक जाय अशें तांची मायंडसेट आनी त्या मायंडसेटान ते काम करत आसा आनी डिस्कशन बऱ्याच वेळाचेर जायत आसा त्यामुळे आज तांणी अशा तरेचे कन्सेप्ट म्हणजे गोंयभरांतली द हिस्टोरिकल जाका एक धार्मीक किंवा एक आध्यात्मीक बाकी सगळे एक श्रद्धास्थान आशिल्लीं अशा तरेची जी झाडां आसात ती झाडां ती आपल्या रायटअपांतल्यान बूक प्रिंट करून सबंद देशाक ते दवरपाक सोदता.
Now after that I had occasion to see so many. The fourth time I am today visiting this mutt. I know about the historical importance of this mutt. And Swamiji told me that first time a governor is visiting this mutt at that time. I am still remembering that. We are all much obliged because they are representing the dharma. Light lamp, of course, lighted by our Pujaniya Swamiji.
Even the Kankona survey number starts from here. Survey number 1 starts from here.
Oh, survey number.
And the first puja is given by governor only over here only.
Yes.
So that
First
is
number in our revenue records starts from Kankona. In that place, this Vismaya Puja, this, you see more than 3 acres, one tree spread, and it has witnessed hundreds of years. After this 31 or 30, anyway below 40 trees. It's beautiful photograph. Again, this photograph will be taken by some other people and expert people, and thereafter we'll publish Rajbhavan without any cost. We are going to publish a book, and that book is Heritage Trees of India in English as well as in Hindi. So Konkani language I am not doing for the time being. I am not doing because everybody knows all these things. We want to make it as an important thing among the people of India and outside India. So we are going to do that, and after that 5 books are in our plan. Another is islands. We are projecting islands. Then peculiarities of the temple and its important spiritual tourism and other things are in my mind. And churches are concerned. In 4 or 5 churches also, a peculiar type of tree is there that is very long, and I am told that, I don't know he has noted it or not.
That baobab tree, sir.
That tree, they are protecting these churches from lightning. So these types of devices are available in our country. Everything. That is why I have a Maharshi Bhrigus I quoted here. And finally, I will one book on this spiritual aspects also. So 4 or 5 books. Rajbhavan is going to be published in a most modern printing and other things, paper and other things, art paper and other things. And without any, there is no sale. Only we will give it to all Rajbhavans, all secretariats and all as far as possible brothers and
So हे पत्राचेरी हे वृक्षाचेरी कोणाल वासस्थान असा श्री कृष्ण परमात्माले वासस्थान असा. तेतून आम्ही कसं म्हणतात हाका हाका पवित्र वृक्ष म्हणतात. आज आम्ही हांग प्रार्थना करताना कोणाक आमी गोविंदाले स्मरण केलें, कृष्णाचें स्मरण केलें. कित्याक केलें की हे वृक्षाचेर कृष्णाचो आवास आसा. तेतून पुटेशयानम त्या पत्राचेर हे पत्राचेर बाल मुकुंद शयन करता आसा. तसले कृष्णाक आज आमी हांगा स्मरण केलें. The trees never demand anything from us. It just give for the benefit of the people. So what today we have learned is that the character of the tree and even the Raj Bhavan is same. Because what tree does, it does not demand anything from us. Now what the governor Sridharan Pillai is doing, that he is publishing a book which is totally the information of the sacred trees, and he is distributing to everybody free of cost. He is not expecting any money from that book. He is giving it free of cost. The tree is giving free of cost, and today Rajyapal Sridharan Pillai is also distributing that book free of cost to everybody, so that they should come here, they should visit here, they should see this sacred tree, and they should also respect these trees and also nourish the nature. तुमकां फळ मेळटा, आंबे मेळटा तुमकां हांगा, कांयच मेळना. ॲपल मेळटा, मोसंबी मेळटा, कितें मेळटा? देर इज नो फ्रुट्स वेर यू कॅन ईट, देर इज नथींग वॉट यू कॅन गेट, बट स्टील इट इज अ सेक्रेट. What mango tree cannot give, that can be given by this banyan tree. It can give a longer life to a husband.